Next.
Is acupuncture a successful method of treatment? How does it method work? How does this method work? Acupuncture.
Acupuncture. Acupuncture.
Acupuncture, yes. Ask the question in Arabic. This tariqa ilaj, this system of cure, is not imaginary. It does work. But the effect of this tariqa ilaj, this system of cure, has been highly exaggerated. It is not a cure-all for everything. It's punctures and a little pain and discomfort at such punctures everywhere in the body. Sometimes a patient is relieved of stresses, and it is particularly for the nervous stresses that is a useful system. If a patient is suffering from a disease which is originally caused by nervous pressures, then I have noticed this tariqa ilaj is very useful. But in many other cases, it is not useful. Sometimes an operation is needed. As many needles as you poke into the patient, the surgery will not be done away with. The patient will still require surgery. So the Chinese have mixed these two things in a very intelligent way. Instead of giving opiates and chloroforms, etc., to the patient before surgery, because this system relates to nerves, not directly nerves, but to the nervous system as such. So they poke the needles on two sides of the arms, one here and one there. The result is that the patient does not feel any pain without the help of an opiate or a suppressant like chloroform. They don't give any such thing to the patient. But the surgery is carried out, of course. The patient, I have seen one picture myself which was published by an American scientist or some other American magazine. A team of American physicians and surgeons visited China, and they took photographies of what was happening. And it was exactly as I described to you. There were two needles which are poked into the two arms, and the patient was having a surgery of stomach cancer, where almost 3/4 of the stomach was being removed. And he was reading a newspaper without realizing what was happening to him. And they cut the body, I mean the skin over the layers of fat, etc., all inclusive, I mean, over the stomach, and cut it out 1/4, removed it altogether, then sewed it again, and after the operation was finished, he was offered a milk of glass which he immediately drank. No problem. So this is a tribute to this system of acupuncture, but it is not all that what people understand. It has its limitations. No, I don't think so. I think I have finished the answer on acupuncture. That it helps the nervous system and the nervous impressions, but it cannot cure many material diseases which affect the human organs, like cancer and other things. When operation is necessary, acupuncture can't do anything.